Hey everyone! So, have you ever dreamed of getting into snorkeling and exploring that amazing world under the waves, but maybe felt a little intimidated, like you didn't know where to start? Well, you've come to the right spot. Today, we're going to show you why the Philippines is pretty much the perfect place for your very first snorkeling adventure. Let's dive right in. I mean, who hasn't, right? That idea of just floating, weightless, watching all those colorful fish darting in and out of coral. It feels like a completely different planet, just full of color and life. But then, that little voice of doubt kicks in. Oh, I probably need to be a scuba diver, or I need all this expensive, complicated gear to see the really good stuff. That hesitation is super common, and it's the exact myth we're going to bust today. So what's the secret? Honestly, it's the Philippines. This place is like the world's most beautiful and welcoming underwater classroom, basically designed by Mother Nature herself for beginners. And it all comes down to this one incredible fact. The Philippines is right in the heart of what's called the Coral Triangle. You can think of it as the global headquarters for all marine life. They call it the Amazon of the seas, and for a very good reason. The sheer amount of life here is just mind-blowing. And hey, don't just take my word for it. The World Wildlife Fund points out that this area has nearly 600, 600 different species of reef-building corals. These corals are literally the architects building this entire vibrant underwater city. Now, here's the absolute best part for anyone just starting out. All this incredible stuff, it's not miles offshore in some crazy deep water. No, a lot of the most breathtaking sites are in super shallow, calm water, sometimes just a few feet from the beach. That means you don't need any special certification to see a world-class aquarium. It's right there for you. Okay, so that all sounds great in theory, right? But what does it actually look like? Let's take a quick virtual tour of 3 spots that are just unforgettable and prove how easy this all is. First stop, Mabawal in Cebu. This place is famous for a natural phenomenon that people fly from all over the world to witness. It's called the Sardine Run. And this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. You can literally swim inside a massive, shimmering ball of millions of sardines, and it's only about 30 meters from the shore. You don't even need a boat. The reef is crazy shallow, like maybe 1 or 2 meters deep. You just walk into the water and boom, you're there. Oh, and yeah, you'll probably see some huge green sea turtles just cruising by, totally unbothered. It's wild. All right, next up, if swimming with sea turtles is on your bucket list, and whose isn't, then Apo Island is the place. And I don't mean you might see one. This place is a world-renowned turtle sanctuary. The reason Apo Island is so amazing is because the local community has done an incredible job protecting the marine life. And because of that, you can just wade into waist-deep water right off the main beach, and I guarantee you'll see turtles just munching away on seagrass. It's such a gentle, respectful, and absolutely amazing experience. Okay, for our last stop, we're going somewhere totally different. We're heading to Kayangan Lake in Coron. This isn't the ocean, it's this stunningly clear, sacred lake that offers a whole other kind of snorkeling. So here, instead of corals, you're gliding past these epic underwater rock formations. And the water? It's a mix of fresh and salt water, so it's super clear and doesn't sting your eyes. Plus, it's always perfectly calm and sheltered. And here's the best part for beginners. Wearing a life vest is mandatory. It just gives you that extra bit of confidence so you can relax and just float. It's like the perfect training ground. All right, so hopefully you're feeling pretty inspired by now. Let's switch gears and get practical. We're going to give you a little toolkit to make sure your first time in the water is absolutely perfect. Seriously, these 4 little tips will make a huge difference. First, a tiny drop of baby shampoo in your mask stops it from fogging up. It's a game changer. Second, just trust the life vest. It lets you float with 0 effort, and it keeps you from accidentally kicking the delicate coral below. And the #1 rule, always look but never touch. Finally, make sure you're using reef-safe sunscreen. It protects you and the ocean. See? Super simple. Okay, so you're ready to go. You've got the tips. Now what? Let's talk about how to actually turn this dream into a reality. And you know what's great? It's incredibly affordable. A full-day group tour, which usually includes your lunch, is going to set you back maybe 20 to 45 US dollars. Renting gear is just a few bucks, and those little environmental fees you pay, they go right back into protecting these amazing places. It's just an incredible value for what you get to experience. So, if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's that this incredible underwater world, this Amazon of the seas, it's not some exclusive club for experts. It is right there, just off the beach, waiting for anyone with a mask and a little bit of curiosity.
And honestly, we've only just scratched the surface today. There are actually 10 amazing spots detailed in the full guide, with even more tips on when to go and how to travel responsibly. If you want to get that full list and all the essential info to really start planning, just click that link down in the description below. Thanks so much for joining me.